Alright, this should go here. Hey, good morning. Got this today from Lazada and I'll be installing on my Versys. Let's open. USB charger. This has the voltmeter. So there's rubber here with a cover, so it should be waterproof. Should be. We'll find out. Positive, negative. Came with this. Connectors. Let's install. Alright, this should go here. First thing we need to do, remove the windscreen and then remove this part. Don't lose this thing. So just press and pull. This one I bought from the auto supply store, and this is I think for 30 amps rated. And the connector is specific. I have to reach in there. Here, so I have to get to that to remove the cover. So use this if you have it. This is flexible screwdriver to get to that. Otherwise, you need to remove this. So this is what the cover looks like. This one's inside there. And this one is the cover in front. Okay. The wired line for the accessories. This is what we're gonna use to connect our charger. So what I did, I crimped this. Red, white wire is positive. Black, white wire is negative. So make sure the positive and negative terminals correctly connected. Again, white and red is positive. White and black is negative. Right here. Turning on the ignition. Alright, we're alive. 12.1 volts. Item that I bought has a switch, so I can turn it off. But it only has one USB charger. Alright, it's working. So this one is positive. I take it to the end so that I know this is positive, this is negative. To make installation easier, get this ring here, put it in there. And then pull it through this dash. So I won't have to fiddle the back later. And then again, positive, negative, positive, taped up, negative right here. There you go. Another test before I screw it in. So it's off right now. Turn it on and it's alive. Right, 12.1 volts. Alright, time to screw it in. that's it. Just finger tighten it, and yep, it's not moving, so it's good. Another test. Fix this ticket here. So I want to grab it.